The UK border and immigration system is becoming digital. This means physical documents like biometric residence permits and vignette visa stickers will be replaced with eVisas. An eVisa is an online record of your immigration status. With an eVisa, international travel will be easier. You'll be able to use an eVisa to travel to the UK. UK Border Force and international air, sea and rail carriers will be able to automatically access your immigration information. If you need a visa to travel to the UK, this video is for you.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, I'll be sharing tips and guides in order to make your life in the UK much more smoother, especially for visa holders. Today we'll be diving into a change from a physical biometric residence permit to the new digital eVisa. And this is a major change from how immigration statuses are managed in the UK, and it's very crucial to understand if you are on a visa. I'll break everything you need to know, including what the eVisa is, why it's happening, who needs to switch, and how to make the step-by-step process of switching from a biometric residence permit to an eVisa. So stay with me till the end. First things first, what's an eVisa? An eVisa is the UK's way of modernizing the immigration system. Instead of carrying a physical card like the BRP, your visa information is entirely digital. So what does this mean? Your immigration status, things like your visa type, visa expiry date, as well as the conditions are securely stored online, and you can access these via the view and prove immigration status portal on the government website. Here's what the portal looks like. You log in using your details like your passport number or your BRP number. Once logged in, you'll see all your visa details clearly laid out. It's simple and super convenient. Now you might be wondering why the shift from a physical card to an eVisa. There are several reasons why this is happening. One, security. Digital eVisa helps reduce risks of loss, theft, and damage that comes with using physical cards. And then two, convenience. eVisas, you can easily access your details online 24/7. And three, eco-friendly. One, less plastic for the environment. And here's an update. By December 31st, 2024, the UK aims to phase out all BRPs completely. So if you haven't switched to an eVisa yet, it's a perfect time to do so. Next, let's talk about who needs to make the switch. There are several groups that this applies to. One, existing BRP holders. So if your visa was issued initially and you were given a BRP, then you will have to update your status. And two, visa renewals. If you've recently extended your visa, you may already have been switched automatically to the eVisa, but it's good to find out and double check just in case you haven't been updated. Then three, new applicants. So if you apply for a visa, you will automatically be given an eVisa. Here's a key point: you don't have to wait for your BRP to expire before you switch. So the UK VA allows you to switch to an eVisa at any time. So this is especially helpful if your card is lost or damaged. Alright, so for the most important part, how to switch from a BRP to an eVisa, here's a step-by-step guide. First step is to check your status. Visit the government website, log in using your passport number or BRP details. If your immigration status is already digital, you will see it here. If not, you'll get instructions to update your records. Then the second step is to update your immigration records. You might be asked to confirm details like your passport number or visa type. Once you've updated this, your immigration status will automatically link to your digital account. See, it's straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Then the third step is share your digital status. After the switch, you will receive a unique share code in your account. This code can be sent to your employer, landlord, or university so they can verify your immigration status directly online. No more photocopying your BRP. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions about the eVisa. First question is, can you travel without BRP? And the answer to that question is absolutely. You can travel without a BRP. Border control will just check your immigration status online, but it's required that you always bring your passport when traveling. The next question is, what if I lose my account? So don't panic. You can reset your account details on the portal link, but if that doesn't work, then UK VI helpline is there to assist. The last question is, what if someone doesn't accept my eVisa? So share the official Home Office guide for employers and landlords. It explains how to verify digital immigration status, clearing up any misunderstanding. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for quick transition from your BRP to your eVisa. So first of all, always update your details like your passport or email address in the system. And second of all, save a screenshot or notes of your share code when proving your status. It's valid for 30 days. Then the third, bookmark the view and proof page for quick access. These little tips can save you a lot of time. And that's it, guys, on the video about transitioning from a BRP to an eVisa. If you guys have any questions about the whole process on transitioning from a BRP to an eVisa, then leave a comment and I will get back to you and let you know, possibly on solutions to whatever questions you have concerning this process. But yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.